Ever feel like your food truck customers want to order more, but decision fatigue stops them at the window? Boost your sales and smash your line with the ultimate food truck secret weapon, combos. With EasyEats, building combos is incredibly simple thanks to smart, reusable picklists. Think of a picklist as a reusable question, like choose a side or pick a drink. Build it once, use it everywhere. Attach that same drink list to every single combo on your menu in seconds. Pricing is foolproof. Just type in your flat discount, and our system automatically handles the math on premium item upgrades. Plus, with automatic inventory protection, if you run out of fries, they instantly disappear from the combo. No messy refunds required. Stop leaving money on the table. Build your first menu combo today and watch your ticket sizes grow with EasyEats.